What's up, everyone? This is Wayne here. Today we're going to be talking to you about the Stihl RCA20 hand push washer. Now, what percentage you use this weekend or next weekend? I don't know, because I didn't really use last weekend, because you can tell this thing got used almost quite a bit, because I do like this machine. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. It did get used like before, but now all of a sudden, did it get used last weekend? I don't know. I think it did. Yeah, I did last weekend. It got used last weekend. I did use to clean up the earth and clean the bandit, clean the mower, and then it's basically you can see how much I spent this thing exactly because I mean this is a 2024 model, so this thing came out last year, but this came out this year for 2025, as you can see. So I hope at some point this thing will get used this weekend or next weekend again. I don't know exactly, but I really hope so. This thing will get used this weekend because I know since we're gonna be doing a lot of cleaning with this thing, which is actually it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but this thing actually looks pretty expected this thing exactly because I do like this machine a lot because you can see how much I expected this machine exactly because it will get used either this weekend or next weekend. I don't know exactly because you can tell the thing's gonna get used or something. But I hope at some point this thing will get used this weekend because no matter what, because you can see I mean this is a pretty nice looking machine and it comes with just a big also thing you can see because honestly you can see how much we expected this thing exactly because well how can I describe this a little bit? This thing's get used no matter when, and I hope at some point this thing will get used this weekend. I hope this thing will get used this weekend because I mean this is a pretty nice looking machine, in my opinion. But you can definitely tell it's a little bit more you think it is exactly because so I hope at some point this thing will get used this weekend or next weekend. I don't know exactly because, well, I promise you this thing will get used this year, because this weekend, I'm hoping some of this thing will get used, but this is a very nice looking pressure washer.